Hey traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So today's video we are mainly focusing on the USD to the CAD, and why we are looking at this pair at the moment is we saw that support hold yesterday from around the 35.18 point, and that continues to show support at this point for this pair on the daily chart. Now we have seen high lows continue and a couple of high highs, so that does suggest the trends there, but it has been a bit of a grind, and we did see that pretty decent move down. But while this support holds, we are looking more favorably in terms of buyers, and we have seen a break above yesterday's open, which is a good sign if buyers are able to hold that throughout tonight's session. So we're just looking to see if this is a new high low which turns into a new rally. We want to see a bit more evidence that this trend break is starting to confirm, and if this is going to start a new short-term leg higher. Now, the USDCAD sort of refused to go down yesterday, even though we saw some pretty strong rallies in yesterday's session. So we can see tonight that both the Euro and Aussie are off, and the resistance points are continuing. And the other big key factor for the dollar CAD is oil. So looking at oil, we can see prices lower, and we can see that sellers continue to really defend from that key resistance, anywhere from 40.70 down to 40.65 or 40.60. So good signs, supportive signs for the dollar CAD. So now what we really want to see is buyers commit and see a bit of a push higher. Now, if we do see a move higher, we'd be looking for a new test probably around this area here, and we may see resistance come in there because we've seen plenty of supply in that area previously. So that would be the first point we'd be looking to see some resistance from if we do see buyers push up a new leg higher. So at the moment we just want to see this bar close higher, and then we'll see if we get a hold and close above yesterday's open, and if we do have a stronger bar, and then we'll see confirmation hopefully tomorrow. Now, seeing the point of the Williams, so the Williams is also saying it's been a little bit oversold and is also starting to move above this point here. Now that just shows that there is demand coming into the market. Now if it does cross above the 50, that is another supporting factor, saying that there is more buying momentum going on at the moment. But with all indicators, primarily, like from my perspective, is I look at price first, and I look for the indicator to back up price. I don't look for price to back up the indicator. I usually like to see the pattern first in price, good evidence there, and then see the indicators backing that up as well. So that's just my take on it, but everyone's different. So there is no key news coming out in tonight's New York session or European session, so we will really just see if we're going to see a bit more demand coming back into the USD and a little bit of less demand for the CAD with oil tracking lower. So we'll see how we go tonight and what happens tomorrow. So that's it for now. Have a fantastic rest of your trading day, and until tomorrow, bye for now.